Being a child, obviously, you look up at the police officers and you think, oh, I'd like to join this, I'd like to do this job. And then I moved over to UK. One day, there was a PCSO walking past where I used to live, and I said to her, oh, not very often do we see police officers around here, around this area. And she said, I'm actually not a police officer, I'm PCSO. She then explained to me how she got around to obviously work for South Wales Police, and she asked me why wouldn't I want to join South Wales Police. It would be an amazing opportunity because you can make a difference, but I never thought that I could do it. And then I decided to apply, and obviously I got the job, and seriously, it's the most amazing job I've ever had in my life. I'd never ever would go back to anything else.
I really wanted to do this job, and I was really happy that I could, and I had this possibility, and I can say that it's really amazing job. Of course, it's tiring as well in one way, but we have so much rewards in this job. It's just making our day, so it was the best decision I could ever make.
I'd say the best thing about this job is that we're out and about engaging with communities. We can, like I said, make a difference, and sometimes a simple smile, walking in a high visibility uniform and smiling to people makes their day.
The best thing in this job is that every day is different, and I think the most rewarding thing is when people smiling at you and saying, oh, thank you for what you're doing. And like for myself, it's engaging with those people and know their life as well, have a chat about things, problems and all the issues. The day is just too short for this job. It's always something going on. That is why we never have enough time for what we want, really. So the day is just too short. That's the one disadvantage.
If there is anyone that would like to join South Wales Police, firstly what I would say, don't ever underestimate yourself. Believe that anything is possible and you can do anything.
If I could give any advice to any person who wants to join, just never give up, because I know from my experience, I failed in the first time, but I had so much confidence to join. If you want, just go for it.
Don't ever hesitate, just go for it and apply for it.